Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can find articles in the New York Times using the library's homepage. So first you would need to go to My Canisius and log in. Then you would need to find library, which is usually somewhere down below here in your applications. I have it saved up in my favorites, so I'm just going to click here. Here's the library's homepage. The center box here, this is where you would search. So you are looking for the New York Times, and you know it's a specific title, so I'm going to put it in quotes, New York Times, because that way it searches for the entire phrase. Now the search is everything we have access to. What this will do will give you different results. Some will be about books or articles about the New York Times. Then you see the second one here says newspaper, New York Times. It says that we have in storage, and it says available online. So if you click on the title, and this will bring up the record and will tell you where we have it on, available online, which database, as well as the dates it is available. So you can see here I'm scrolling. This one, Business Insights, is from 1985. Quite a few of them are from 1985 to the present. Scrolling, this one says from June 1st, 1980 to present. This one just says 1980 to present. And then there are some others which are 1996 or 2015. So I'm going to click on this one right here. And it should open in a new tab, and it'll take you right to the database. And Proquest, which is this one, will take you to the page for the particular title you are looking for, and then you can search within. Some other databases just take you to the database landing page, and then you would have to search again for the title. So once you are here, you can then search within this publication. If you have a specific date you are looking for, you can change down here. You can choose the different issues, and you can view the entire issue. But since I'm looking for articles on particular topic, it doesn't matter what the year is. I'm going to search within this publication. And drug company advertising is what I'm planning on searching today. So I'm just going to put this down. Now you can do anything, video game design, the women's movement, anything like that, political things, but you will want to search. You can also advanced search if you want to put in a particular date range, or if you are looking for a byline from somebody, but I'm just going to do the basic. Here we go. Click search, brings me up over 8,000 results. And you see they all say New York Times here. I can limit again by date if I'm looking for a specific subject or a document type. So if I'm like, oh, I want just a news article, I can click on that. It'll take me to there. If you want a report, you can take you to there. Language, most of these will all be in English, but you may have found like a random one, but these should all be in English. So I'm going to look through and let's see here. Maybe I want this one. So brouhaha over drug ads. Okay, and I would like to read a little bit more, so I can click here on abstract details. This will give me an abstract, a little bit longer of a summary of the article. You can see it has the different subjects. This one's talking, it uses an NAICS code, so this is a business. But then I want the full text. I click right here. You can hide the highlighting if you don't want to see where that is. Here's the abstract again, and here is the full text. And what you can do is you can email it to yourself, you could print it, you can use their citation manager. I always do caution though that you would always want to double check, because their citation manager is only as good as the data that's inputted, and this could be wrong. This is from 1989 too, so in case you're looking for something newer, you may be like, oh, I don't want this too. But if you want to save it as a PDF, you can click there, and it will download it for you. And it may give you a little bit nicer of a read right here. Click back to here. or you could just print it as is. And you can see on the side here, there are other related items that are very similar. They use the subject headings, but these will not always be from the same paper or journal that you are looking in. So just to let you know about that. And then when you're done with this one, you can just click back and click back again, and you're back to your list. They will also tell you if it's been cited by other people. Now these are all just full text, so they are not the PDF copy of the newspaper article, but you do get the actual article itself. So that is all you need to do in order to find articles in the New York Times. If you need any more help, please give us a call at the library at 716-888-8411, or you can email us at library@canisius.edu, and one of us will get back to you as soon as possible. And have a nice day.